Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on INFINIX Smart 9. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button once you see a logo on your screen. And when you see no command, you have to press power button and hold it and then press volume up button. And as you can see, I'm now in recovery mode. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.